Welcome to Cu Chi Tunnels.
Historical, gastronomic, cultural, adventure.
Cu Chi Tunnels half-day group tour.
Enjoy a convenient hotel pickup from your guide as you depart for Cu Chi. Along the way, watch as the frantic city scenery transitions to a more peaceful, rural setting. Once you arrive, begin with a tour of the Cu Chi Tunnels, some of the most famous underground networks. Pathways, hideouts, sleeping quarters, meeting rooms, hospitals, and Hoang Cam Stove. These narrow tunnels provide barely enough space for a single person to crawl their way through. Savoring a Vietnamese staple during wartime, cassava. Get the exhilarating opportunity to fire a M15, AK-4 for a true wartime experience X option. Finally, savor the Vietnamese traditional food before the comfortable ride back to your hotel.